The Glimpse setup is built in stages. That is intentional. First, you choose a route. Free early access means creating or linking an eligible exchange account under the Glimpse code. Paid plan notification is different. That route only saves your details so you can hear when paid plans open. It does not require creating an exchange account today. Second, you submit review details. Full name, country, email, and for free access, the exchange UID. The country matters because exchange availability, KYC, API access, and futures access are not the same in every region. Third, the account is reviewed. If cleared, you receive a private invite. Fourth, onboarding starts. You choose the exchange, connect a trade-only API key, confirm auto risk, and open the dashboard. The final part is important. Glimpse does not begin execution just because you finish setup. The master switch starts off. You review the private desk first. Only then do you decide whether to enable AI execution. The process is slower than a one-click bot. That is the point. The account, permissions, region, and risk controls must be clear before the desk can act.